are going to love the 2020 Audi A4. The Audi A4 is the first in a generation of Audis that have learned how to ride. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, heated front seats, rear window defroster, trip computer, fog lights, power windows, electronic stability control, overhead console, tachometer, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, panic alarm. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.